Indodax Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Indodax are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's designed for, and whether it's a good choice for crypto investors. Indodax is Indonesia's largest and most established cryptocurrency exchange, catering to both beginner and experienced traders. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, including major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, as well as local and emerging tokens. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for new investors to start buying and selling crypto. One of Indodax's biggest advantages is its seamless integration with Indonesian banks, allowing users to deposit and withdraw funds using IDR, Indonesian rupiah, without needing a third-party service. Security is a major priority for Indodax, with two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold wallet storage, and a strong verification process to protect user funds. The platform has been operational since 2014 and has built a solid reputation as a safe and reliable exchange. Indodax also provides a mobile app, making it convenient for users to trade on the go. The trading fees are competitive, with maker fees as low as 0% and taker fees starting at 0.3%, making it an affordable choice for frequent traders. The exchange also offers staking and passive income options, allowing users to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. One of its unique features is Indodax Academy, an educational resource designed to help beginners understand crypto trading and blockchain technology. This makes it an excellent platform for those new to crypto who want to learn while they invest. However, for international traders, Indodax has limited fiat options beyond Indonesian rupiah, and some advanced trading features found on global exchanges may be missing. But for Indonesian users, it remains the best choice for easy access to crypto with strong local support. Overall, Indodax is ideal for Indonesian investors looking for a secure, regulated, and easy-to-use exchange with fiat on-ramp support. If you're interested, check the links in the description to explore Indodax for yourself.